Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize predictive analytics with Microsoft easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin optimizing predictive analytics with Microsoft tools, first ensure you have Microsoft Azure set up. Log into your Azure portal using your credentials. Navigate to the Azure Machine Learning Service from the dashboard. Create a new Azure Machine Learning workspace if you don't have one yet. Click on Create Workspace and fill in the required details like the workspace name, subscription, and resource group. Once your workspace is created, go to the Datasets section. Upload your dataset by clicking on Create Dataset, then select the source type. Import your data from a local file, Azure Blob Storage, or other cloud data sources. Next, it's time to pre-process your data. Select your dataset and open it in the Data Lab environment. Use the built-in data cleaning tools to handle missing values and outliers. Once your data is pre-processed, click on Launch Designer to start building your model. Drag and drop the algorithms that suit your predictive analytics needs. Common algorithms include regression, classification, and clustering models. Connect your dataset to the algorithm of your choice to create a pipeline. Once your pipeline is built, click on Train to start the model training process. Monitor the training process and evaluate metrics provided by Azure. Once training is complete, assess the model's performance using the evaluation metrics. If the results meet your expectations, you can proceed to deploy your model. Click the Deploy option within the workspace to make your model accessible via an API. Test the deployed model with sample inputs to ensure it gives the correct predictions. You can now integrate your model into your applications for real-time analytics. For ongoing optimization, regularly monitor your model performance and update it with new data as required. Utilize Azure's built-in monitoring tools to track the accuracy and efficiency of your model. Continue to refine your predictive analytics process based on performance insights. Following these steps will help you effectively optimize predictive analytics using Microsoft tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.